Sizo ba ku damashi rivuni. Ba ku John un'wana va lava nga rivuna. Ngoma leyi nga ta hisa.
Umele between wena Gwinya.
Kuna ngoma yin'wana nga huma ni va yi trenda nyana so lekere kha xi cina ngoma leya xa makhombo. Yi loko yi huma. Ni yingisela. I'm going to pay
Gaza
artist. Why? Because abaka nga pay kahle or ka kwendeka kumbe ba mchise marumbu tsena.
There's no, here's the thing. I ain't go after promoters. Hear me out. Not promoters let go negotiator, they'll give you a fair price where you're like, okay, that's reasonable. In a try me the other promoters in it's a problem.
Hey, let's South Africa. So endleka na vafundhisi va ti afternoon.
Welcome to Shangani Gang, your portal to the vibrant world of the Xitsonga culture, language, and heritage. Join us on a journey to preserve the essence of Xitsonga, one story at a time. From the rhythms of our traditional music to the wisdom of those who came before us, we dwell into the heart of what makes us proudly Xitsonga. This is Shangani Gang. Hiso.
Remember what minute kubila rakombo mashaba is back. Beke mashani Zimbi. Why regarding solo?
Breaking news, Mashava win. Mara wina beke ngwana yo tika so na ngari na solo la ndi. Mashava yo boy ina la ikona.
Not you.
Wohlama kazi ngafambi.
Wohlama se kai kuma view yingwe. Mweti. Tingabuya mfuke je John. Ukahle kahle mara guest kahle kahle la no. So mo nundu ya kwa.
Ni va kwala.
Kahle kahle.
Kala nifuna kumana ti shares kahle kahle. Ani no wakwala na.
Shares amtavala na Mashava.
Mashava etabuli makati shares.
So ngokhohlo Mashava.
Santlima.
Hayi nwana mati starele.
So since miri nonde la ngona azimbutisa to je John mane utshama ku udaka ngane siku una munhu na angana yena yesu ngete inini
mara manje vana kate ku va ntshama na yena so
ne
ni vutisa ndana tsuvutisa ku vutisa
ne okay hayi
cause loko la veni sungula mhaka leyo ku tsundzuka timhaka ta loko mu kuma shayi huma Zimbabwe ku boyeni swi va ku damashi rivuni ba ku John un'wana va lava nga rivuna ngoma leyi nga ta hisa ne phela ku ngoma yi huma ni swi voka la na unyoka ndeni
hayi voni hembela
ne
hayi na vanhu va Xikwembu tirandela Xikwembu yes
hayi mara na vanhu va Xikwembu akhayi mi twi gogo sivileri
na vana va Xikwembu
vana va Xikwembu na vo va ya rivonia
vatali
va ya mara anyway ayi humeka leyi ngeka leyi ya serious manje hi vutisini lava hi nga va vutisa mi swi voni na n'wina ku humele between wena Gwinya
ivenge make
na n'wina brothers
straight away
humelela yini munhu n'wina
what happened was industry music industry has its own way to separate the two. There's certain things les moon afana ka swinanguta loko ka swindla kumbe loko ka swivulavula, right? If I'm with you, I have to defend you when they say something against you, if I'm with you. So what happened was industry. There was certain particular group of people next to him, and there was people next to me. So they talked the talks, and then the talks were in there and got involved, and then everything went sideways. So he chose to go start his own journey. I said, okay, cool, that's cool. I will continue with my journey. That's it. Nah, it wasn't like in a sense it was a personal, it was just like an industry thing. Maybe him searching for his new ways to find his new sound.
Okay.
Yeah, so yeah, that could be it. And also I feel like there's gotta be a moment where you gotta give credit to certain people who put hands to make sure that you shine. You understand? There's certain things you don't say in public. There's something I heard. I don't want to say too much, but and I was like, that's funny. That's what I can say. I was like, that's very funny. Looking at the work that I've put in to support this particular person. But above all that, nothing is personal. It's just everything good, bad comes to an end.
Ne?
That's it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So ya valawula sweswo ne. Loko mu kuna group ya vanhu vo karhi va nga valawula swin'wana kuna group ya vanhu vo karhi va nga valawula swin'wana lava va ri na n'wina lava va ri na DJ Gwinya. Kuna there's something that hi nga vulavula nyana hi xona ne ka episode leyi nga hundza na DJ Gwinya. Kuna ngoma leya xilala. Yi kuna vanhu lava ngo va kwata ku loko ku performiwa ngoma ya xilala hi DJ Gwinya. Ene kuna vanhu lava kumbexani antivi ku njhani mara kuna vanhu lava nga swi tsakeli ku xilala xi performiwa ma ku xilala i ngoma ya J John yi nga feature DJ Gwinya. So and then on top of that ka huma ngoma ya n'wina ya yirini mi cina ngoma ro mi cina munhu
Mchina ngoma kumbe mchina vitna ya viketa ya mina.
ya Viket.
Yes,
Mara ngwe
Viket
mi imbelela.
Yebo.
Okay, so so la ku twisisa ku that statement can be in two sections. Kungaba section yo amzama ku protecta Gwinya with this song ingoma yena hi ri vambirhi. So he can perform, you are not dancing to a person, you are dancing to a song. Or amchini munhu langele ku performeni ngona cina ngoma leyi nga ya mina.
Oh, okay, I get
What was the message? What was the message behind that song?
I mean, behind that song is old actually. Like that line on its own. It was supposed to be on other project. Anyway, this whole situation is like this. Ne? Shilala ne? Aningoma J John. I feel like people shouldn't hate him for that.
Okay.
He's part of the song. Right?
By the way, he gives you your flowers. He gave you your flowers. I don't know how many times. Look,
Yeah.
from the beginning until we ended the episode.
Yeah. So
Nelega after show.
Nelega after show.
I feel. Thanks for that, dog. Thanks for that. I appreciate that. It wasn't pointing at him. It was a certain ask. There's this thing ka Gaza. Just because Gaza boshe ngoma leya but everybody's gonna say, oh yeah, but that's my problem. It's like something is wrong with this system. What do you mean yaba ngikitwa ngoma leya yibi? Mari makubulelo wa very yaba. So ichina yakulowa iri yaba kumbe ichina yakuyabana. So it was more like, are you guys dancing to what the influencers are telling you to dance to, or are you dancing to because like okay this song yaba? You understand? So
matala go leswi kuna ngoma yin'wana nga huma ni va yi trenda nyana so lekere kha xi cina ngoma leya xa makhombo iloko yi huma ni yingisela ngoma leya ni kuma ku auto tune ay kahle ay tshama ngisone like ay kusona no ri ba ku yini vitra ngoma leya but loko mo yingisela mayito auto tune ay tshama ngisone no nga ti whether ku ay famba di major evident dibeka maybe auto tune ka mine or something like that mabona I re off ngoma leya so no nga ti if you delete win or kwendlekini but so ni veka leswi va swi vulaka vona swa ku hi ku mina ni fiki hi ku vo dama va fiki va ku yaba everybody was like yaba but then oni ngise ni kuma ku you off tune
Point yaleyo ne yi vuya ka the way the simto tala pushiwa ku xiswona ne loko vona ka social networks more special TikTok munhu ta endla
Snippet.
ya partner yin'wanyana ne mara ma ku i tlanginyana Xitsongo nyana u twanga ku yaba malo so ya yingisela risimu hinkwaswo swi toka nama
so na mina na promote tingoma ne sorry to say this but in ntiyiso va te va tisa ku tingoma ni fika ni ngisi swi twa ku no I cannot promote this na ila mali but no I know right
okay.
Hey.
So yeah, okay. What he said is what he said. Okay,
Okay.
Yeah, but I could based on that. It wasn't like an attack on anyone, but it was like
I'm not
looking at yeah, okay, not really, not influencers, but more like no man. I feel like we need to go back into like actually listening to a song. Is this song good now?
Yeah.
If I'm honest, the man when fena John Chaku like yeah, it's what Johnny better. I'm finding like I Johnny Clear studio.
Ne?
It's why is it that these artists that today can't stand criticism? Once you become a public figure, you will be criticized for everything. On everything, you'll be judged.
Ana never crucifying
Vikile nga
sharp.
Ngafanga ihle ivuka around now.
Masha nazo zona akula kwala va crucify yini va ku yini even ku hi ti mistake ta endleka ile ku dyondeni cause na luya wa nhonyana khabula laya u tshama tsala ku na ti sola ku wa njula swimani and va na n'wana so mistake ya yena nge rap ya n'wana phela u ta tshama forever ka vo mistake ya yena so yeah
So okay. Totally mashaba manje. So hey John.
Yeah.
Moving on, loko mungoma le it was not based on the
Okay, to
issue
clear
that
something.
Ergon,
To clear something. Menena DJ Gwinya, we talk all the time.
No, he actually did say
Yeah,
as
we
well.
talk. Like there's no
beef.
conflict. Nah, there's no beef.
Aduvula Johnny pinch at me.
Yeah, he's my dog. You know, man.
John,
Yeah. Nah, we cool.
He did
There's
say
no beef.
guys are cool, but
Nah.
these are the things that, because remember, and I represent the public.
Yeah.
Kuna the question the thing ato vutisa ko mela ku vutisa J Johnny
yini
kuna a platform le
Okay.
inanak. So your fans they did pop in questions that will ask you later.
Okay, fair.
So at the question let the public ingana and then why so Gwinya
On his way, and then J. Johnny- yeah, I
so to
understand.
clear the air, what happened? Because he did say his part. So to hear the story from two parts, I think it's fair. Okay, the story sha Ray, cause na ba ve ke story sha bonke kumeli ukuze se ba nga ha ri ku tirheni swin'we.
Okay, to clear that, ne, kube na the someone that I can like actually discuss in public. Kube na ku katinga twanani lana la, right? So it was good for both parties to go separately.
Okay.
So he said, okay, you know what, Ntwana, I'm gonna go try this. I'm like, okay, fair. I'll continue with this. I'll go try this on this side. You go try your side. But it wasn't like a bad thing, like a fight. Nah, it was like grown ups talking. We talk like grown ups. You do you, I'ma do me. It's cool. BMT still has love and respect for DJ Gwinya. So yeah, that's it.
No, that's fine.
Yeah.
And then moving on, ngeze ku vive mini ke loku dominate. Ba ushini. Ba ba dominate, ba ba mierini. Gaza boys.
yeah ni kuna mhaka lani ntaranga yi before huma ke ingena ka le personal nyana ni kuna le ya ku ri a ku ri na nkarhi lowu a mi lolela artist mama tsasa post eka Facebook about gatekeeping Gaza blah 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 jiki mi ku hui mi sina kuma the bookings. What happened?
Okay, I know what you're gonna say. Like this question, when you found out, are you captured? No, I'm not captured. Here's what happened. I stopped fighting for artists because artists don't have the balls to stand up.
Okay.
No, I'm gonna sue. No, if they take it personal, yeah, go ahead. Yes, you guys don't have the balls. I dropped a song, AK-47 with VCAD. We couldn't wait for December; it was too long. We have to release it under Project VCAD, which is a dope project, by the way. I was addressing this issue, so this artist will come up. Text what you see, what you did there, so bro, go public, dog, and say what Jejon is saying is true. How do we change this? If we stop going to gigs that has like less payment, these guys don't have a show. You think I'm crazy? Go ahead. Let them make a gig without Gaza artists. Let's see if my Gaza will go and support. I can guarantee you they would get 0%. So I stopped because I was like, I'm trying to give you the cheat codes here. Let's support this movement. The hashtag was #pay Gaza artist. What are you doing about it?
So after the hashtag, akuna munhu loyi bona valava nga le ka ntlawa lowu va nga le hluphekeni akuna munhu loyi a nga hashtag na yena a posta the hashtag themselves.
They don't have the balls. It takes the balls.
Okay, so loko I'm going to pay
Gaza
artist.
Gaza artist. Why? Because abo ka nga pay kahle or ka kwendeka kumbe ba mchise marumbu tsena.
There's no, here's the thing. I ain't go after promoters. Hear me out. Not promoters let like negotiator, they will give you a fair price where you're like, okay, that's reasonable. Problem here me even lang. Wait, there's 100,000 to pay certain artists in South Africa who really don't care about the audience. Gaza, by the way. And then if an artist yaka Gaza ihuma ikuila 10K wadelela blocking itungari inga swiliso and then le reava re vitana le ra ngwa go wa ta ile ngeka gig lana bona I come 4K re tsutsuma re attack. Are you for real? Do you know how big you are? Bruh, charge the money that you are worth. Yeah. I can say, okay, right now, okay, now they're starting to pay Gaza artists. Let me not say nothing has changed. Not artists talk to them and I've seen that the messages. They're like, oh man, I got like 16K, like, 20K. I was like, oh, okay. I was happy. Even if I come at least. The promoters, it's a problem.
So this guy man, what artist? Man, MK King.
Yeah.
MK King, we kaya gigina so kalavaya, lomba ya kaya. Bafika le babnanga and they chaya bangawakili.
Management.
Over 50 rand, they mata kutikinya kuya kaya.
Nah, I know about the story. He did tell me the story. That's management. It's not the promoters. He's managed. I don't want to say.
So Mishoku.
Yeah.
Okay, it's fine.
So manager
I didn't say anything.
No, it's fine. Mara, okay, mataku wine lava kwa kweta ikumela siku, but it's fine because la ya swishi katsana ti dading le music unga vice which means less. So I feel like maybe indlela right ya ku bafa dundiso ba isala ku unga gigingisa ke lo right?
Yes. Before Isuka, I made a mistake, man. I trusted a fellow brother because we're in the same industry. I'm not going to say his name. But if we ended up fixing it, it's fine. And he said, mesa something, shower. And we said, okay, cool. And I ended up not getting paid. I lost both. Didn't go to the gig, didn't even get paid.
You can pay for man.
I didn't go.
Okay.
I didn't get paid for my picture. I didn't get paid at all. It's cool. It is what it is. It was a lesson coming. I've learned through that. Okay, fine. Let's move forward.
Hey.
Ma kumembiro okay. Ibe kuona ngabangabutisi baku mgaina.
Hey, hala.
Juzan. Azara letha mahlamliwa le mara.
No. Let me say this one more time and again. Mina. And it's Juzan and game.
Miranda's boob.
Okay. No, Mina and game. Hey, it's I can go. Kisimus. You get the cricket. No, and gay at all. Mina Miranda Tinhlumbu.
Okay. Teach us, Mabele. Okay. Teach us, ne? Mara ni bwana sungu kam driver move one me forget the QTX come. What man? Me forget the QTX. You don't this in fashion. What when take one of QTX.
Okay, I think one thing one of never Steve and J John yes artist lingash gazene mara background check as an artist it's hip hop.
All right.
It's allowed guy pop. Thought whatever black. Even this December I'm going to do it again. So let's say asivula kumoni tlangela squad lisha icon mina niwela ala
Ma after 9
yeah so endla
bakona ndanda ko vavasati ta kota ku tshova mbilu se imara ya
isinga tshoveka mbilu phe humesa ngoma
Jen
ene yima na valala le ya ngoma lene ni checkini sukutolwe no vikileri kana utlanga album yan'we le ya mi nga tshova mbilu ka yona you block win why ingari kutlangeni
it's just few issues that I have with the labels but they'll fix it probably next week I'm sure they're available and I've had too many calls like comment call total mafela ndleleni right so vatasilungiza ko vana swin'wana swifane swilunghiziwa swicinciwa swivuyisiwa ka matshambelo ya right it's nothing
okay Gaza
ana ku na loko mi juza maybe mi after 9 mi nga tumbeli hi ta amukela
what
Let's South Africa. So endleka nabafundisi baba after 9.
Mina ukuzwe someone Moni sweka Xitsonga xa kahle.
Kona futhi mungu tanga game. South Africa so humelela.
You know you have a problem, right? Like you know you have a problem. Yeah. Okay. No, so mina ne.
Yeah.
I'm entrandeka ka mani.
Okay.
Hayi leswo kuna bachache no vula ku ninge la xikombo show off la so. Hey, kahle. La ningesuke la.
Okay.
I'm twisisa na. Nile bibeleni va fingo maka xibubu xa dlaya mbaki.
Ente isolo. Ku ti hlayisa munhu swi important fana hlayisa. Xina probleme da man.
Then ku ina mhaka lani wane. Loko hi hlangana ni mbona for the first time ni mbona mina. A ku ri akara.
Karalonja.
Yeah. Mi ku na huma xigazeni. Na huma xigazeni. Ku endlekini?
Honestly speaking, ne? Okay, that was the name of the project. Goodbye, Gaza.
Yeah.
So we knew it was going to work as a strategy.
So go to PR.
Of course. What do you think?
Okay.
But also, I think there was a time that Ngakumamwa was blind due to the hard work that we're putting in. That's when I started noticing, wait, artists are not being paid here. And you hear them go, I was like, so you can pay these guys this money and you don't even want to pay us like at least half. So we can take care of our families. In Vana Viket and Fambi Move, I have a management team.
And then look me agigini ku ichagi mfamfama no mabele nyana me out.
I don't do that. Fambela, hey, the tafuka jere so I don't do that. I don't do that.
Ne? Okay. Logo me telele mo me si ni shogo na question le. Ba vutisini ka the question le ta ngala. Mainly music video. Na Khanyisa.
Yes, iko.
Xivongo kambe mani.
Sister wa mina.
Bangwana.
Yes, Mabasa.
Yo ka nga Steve ku mashaka mara mashaka. Mainly music video na Miss
Khanya.
Mabasa. Kasi xivongo xa ko e.
Yeah, no Bangwana Mabasa ni xiswani.
Oh yeah, Bangwana Mabasa yeah. So me tele posta picture yin'wanyana.
Before wa vula na kuna music video.
Vula kuna music video na
Yay!
PR. Me tele me delete.
Why?
Why?
Mako delete.
Gay.
Who says I'm gay?
You are gay.
I'm not gay. Okay, lishingandeka kubena like some sort of personal attacks. The article abangatangulanda on her page ba. So we saw that as a team was like, okay, now this is just too much. We know that we're gonna troll and all of that. But this is getting out of hand. They're mentioning people's name and we called and blah blah blah. Like, are you okay? Because I want to remove this. Are you okay? Though she was like, okay, I'm not okay. That guy's fine. Let me just move it. Because I get it now towards the end, but was better. So that was like an opportunity to attack. So it's like, hey, the guy with the haters let that opportunity. Let's just move it and then yeah, that's it.
Afamon fonela mara no comment. No good comment.
From la PR ile ala.
Problem tafingenelo wala chat was strong.
Yeah, so I think me bindlela right kuba me removing if angari comfortable.
Yeah, it was getting out of hand.
The one bakona la wa ku rasini la yani. Botala un'wana va tshama thembiso go bam khukona hi ribyi wa la wa ku ma attack la ya
Yeah.
Was it
Matisanyana
ve van'wana lava loko attack ka Khanyisa va tshama thembisa loko bam ku kwa
ribyi wa ari landeni
I was stabilized.
yeah so I sort of bad ani red because ni tolwa sinena sisikhanyisa
Yeah.
no one music video great imanga shita music video
We shoot a black flames, so black scene from Parabura, but the direction on everything it was all on me. I wrote that story for like 3 months. I just want to clear something. Everything is director J. John. People mustn't go say whatever they want to say outside. With the help of Lomio helped me with the direction on certain things. It was like, okay, maybe this should be like that. But we wrote that story for like 3 months, I think, before we could actually go shoot the video. So yeah.
Okay, no, satwa. Mina the question ta vanhu lava va ngete J John va la n'wi vutisa the question kuna se swin'wana lava va ngete kuna vana n'wana na
kuna so swi nga swi ri confirmation ya vujuice
no bull
kuna liya ya a ku ri follow up after loko DJ Gwinya va vulavula mhaka ya ku khazi ya vona ingaku a va ri ka some initiation period nyana and then ku vutisiwa mhaka ya ku risimu lero hi lawaya
oh yeah
swa va tsandza va taza va ya khendla swi na ku fambelanyana na swona risimu leriya
so fambelana na what wait DJ Gwinya swi ku yini
so DJ Gwinya
I'm lost here
so DJ Gwinya ne nkarhi loya a nga huma a ni swi tivi nkarhi loyi a nga huma mi nga hambana a endla swa yena ku na vanhu lava nga lumbeta ku loko khendleni maku
I mean
no tana
it's every artist you must go through that
so ivi vanhu va ku i maku seswa yena a huma ni swi tivi I stand to be corrected seswa yena o cousin a huma ka swa initiation ya vusango ivi vanhu va ku u le ku khendleni ivi ku ya kotaniswa risimu leriya ro hi lava ya va ta za va ya khendla ka album
ya Viket AK47
AK47 ya Spam
dubula
so
no okay
xivutiso ko a nga duri u Gwinya na
a nga duri
why okay like the thing is you see that's where the whole thing started when shit went left there's this assumption people put and it goes through people's head okay ngomo fanele ya xitswiriri n'wana kokwana xitswiriri yi tsaliwe hi I think November last year here's the thing loko mina Viket tirha itsala ku ni tirha ntsala ngoma na Viket he knows ngai tsala mhla ithiki ngai record by the way uncommon phone ntsala like I stand on a mic and I record kuna tingoma tin'wana ra ku loko vo ni dropa mntu ku humesa album ya 20 tingoma na next week the same thing I can do it though until the cafe
Divuli na Gwinya
like I have so many songs
wa misa lu afana na
I have so many songs so I don't have time to come out na ntsala
na madlazi
ile wazaze
elonto azaze no the thing is iko vo vana ku vanhu va kota ku khomanisa swi tindlela ta vona mara ngoma leya ku ri khale yi ri koho xitswiri rin'wana kokwana hi ngomalume va ta ze va khendla ene nako a swi nga fambelana leswi ni nga swi vurisa hi swona there was someone else I was pointing at munhu loyi a nga le ka music industry so yeah
ku ri ya beef
a no n'wi sweka ni fane no n'wi sweka no bula mara I'm just saying like it's not that va nga twist story it's sensitive ngoswi sweswo too much it's too sensitive so nah it was not about DJ Gwinya people must relax calm down
okay
yeah.
kuna nkarhi lowu ana swi tiku i 2 years or a year back America poster ya Mgana Lonene ya a ku ri ti shitma Xitsonga Music Award
yeah
American jiki
wata loko ku shit ma rinaka leswi sa xilungunyana so
jiki ama ha ri kona ka post ku humelelini
oh the money wasn't paid that's
a va hakelangi
yes
ava hakelanga
I wasn't paid
se Mgana Lonene va broke
I didn't say that
va ta za va tsama na muholo ya ka 2.5
ani van'wana va vuli
makumembiri wa timinete
Mama musila wasibulaku mani vulanga
va
ngishiya
vuli last week wa khatsema moholo
chika muholo so a va nga hakelangi
va nga hakelanga ma
kube na issue ne post ya ma ayisusiwanga what happened was iku mani fanele ya performance kulera ni kuma kulera njelo kuna rehearsals nobody told me about it ka futola kuna rehearsals awutangi but there's this nkumfu man this one here I don't want to mention his name but this one here the one who ran the controller Mgana this one wanted to manage me by force and I told him futsek
ayaya
no logo was pride or whatever mjit daman
yena ya luya
yeah
okay
so he wanted me to be under his management I said no man I have my own people I have my own label BMT and then the reason why some of the songs tingatlangiwe is because this guy I refuse to be under him and my answer is still no even now due to the fact that yaku Gaza, we are in a place where we allow certain people to brag about the evil things they do to certain artists, and we clap for them. We are wicked. We need to really change that. Like, we need to change this thing. These gatekeepers must move.
Ne?
So, many kanjelo ako inge perform. Imagine nisuke mali ya mina. Niya kwala kunjelo ko sti. Isilo kuite demjije lenkonkoza.
Konko hayi dembe
Nhlifika.
kinafika.
Nifika nga perform. Anikuma mali ya mina picture. Anikuma mali ya mina performance. I wasn't paid at all. Leswi anova bad mouth. Eswilo leswi swi nga so.
hayi a hi ri na G1 last week
Naloko va-
yi ku va ku yi nga perform hi mhaka ku yi tirha ka munghana lonene mara van'wani va ku performini wa tintambi tin'wana kwalaya
Ku surprise.
I don't know much about these people. All I'm saying,
No,
mina
no,
utwa
I
story
know.
shaman. Yeah.
so ringeta
Mina no la ku hindisa yo
a va nga hakelangi
ava nga hakelangi ene n'wembyelo
Kun'wana nga nyikiwanga timbuti, so basa. Hey.
yey
Okay, so I valala ni project ya n'we leyi nga le ndleleni leswi mi nga teso sweswi la.
Yeah.
What are we expecting? And one thing that I wanted to ask Nebutse na Gwinya this question. Can we expect anything from you guys, both of you? Na Gwinya? Feature?
I don't know.
Anything can happen.
Anything can happen.
Okay. I know. As long as Garna.
No, okay, like I said, there's nothing,
no bad blood
no bad luck or anything.
Okay. I
Yeah.
know. So
Everybody's just discovering.
The
The thing is, people think you just go into the studio and you make songs. You channel these things. You're gonna sing right.
Yeah, I'm finding
If it comes, obviously,
I know. Channel nani na like kombele ngoma leswo.
I fear.
Dasami xilungisa ka ndaku ta se tenga ska msinya ka ndaku mara ngoma iri kona.
Akulungisa nchumu.
mara yini album
Album ya mina ilekuteni. On this album, it's more like a personal experience type of thing. Yako J John is shifting from Mafela Ndleleni. I look like a mess. You saw that. I look like, because my life was a mess. Where I said that was true. I was going through suicidal thoughts. Yes, this was not like Nulabok sounded good. There was a time I felt like that. So it was bad because kuna mulanga tswambili nkarlwani. It was terrible, very bad.
Chimbilwane lexi
Anohleka.
Yeah, no.
Mara vavasati va kahle.
Awasata what I die.
vanhwanyani hinkwavo lava viketa va tshwaka timbilu ne va hakela swa va nga hakeleni.
Yeah, like I nearly broken like Amber. So that time it was tough. So with this new album, it's a new chapter. I've moved on. I've healed from this and that. Mara ikatsana the frustration that Jejona delak na tona as a moon. Ikatsana ntsakolo Jejona ngana wona la Jejona ngakona as a man in life. Leswa ngajonza. And also it's gonna be more. It's not gonna be like, oh, let's go make some hits for summer. Even though it did that December, but it's gonna be like, let's be creative. Because unlike me personally, what everybody's doing is they doing what they wanna do. Me personally, as J John, I focus more on art. That's why there's certain artists I don't respect. It's like, you're not doing anything new. I focus more on being creative. Creativity matter to me. So, ni operator and says yako ni fanenwa creative on everything that I do. It has to be different. J John shouldn't sound like take it easy on me from last year. J John should sound different. That's growth. So this project, it's gonna be more creative than anything else. So people should be prepared for that. And hopefully singafanela limara ntsembu kukola ngatantula, but that's one looks a huma album.
Kuna xivutiso xin'wana xi nga vutisiwa ne. No xi rivala sorry. Cause I la ku vulavula hi n'wina hi nga ha vulavuli ti-issues. But xivutiso lexi a xi vulavula ku there was a time I nga ri amla ku tirha na
Khalanga production, yeah.
Ku ve ku humelela yini ku mi tikuma mi nga tirhangi swin'we na Khalanga?
Well, we did work. It's just that
There was a song leyi mi nga tirha swin'we na Gap.
songs.
Yes.
I mean, kuna kuhambana kama vonelo kufika la, but then it wasn't like in a personal level. It was like, okay, this is not the way. This is the way. We disagreed, but we're still cool. We're still cool with Khalanga production himself. It was just like, okay, maybe we should just, in order to make sure everybody benefits from it, because this was not that. But yeah.
Okay.
wena ku hambana ka mavonelo
xana ta vula mhaka yin'wana yi vonaka mhaka mavone mara is fun then
Ta nyika behind the scene
ka leya mi ri na Show Majosi ku endleke yini album liya hambi a yi va ya yena kumbe a yi ya n'wina hinkwenu
no it was her album
yi endliwini
I got hina we were there for the production ya Xitsonga so yeah the album ita huma nge ku ita huma rini but it was her album.
So a project ya Show Majosi.
Yes, and also Show Majosi tavarko ka album ya mina, Shama Kombe tavarko na Makadzi tavarko.
Okay. Ina mata ya kombe man. Kale kang inbox ya kombe Show Majosi. Ataka podcast.
What do you say? You want me to call him Show Majosi?
Yeah, kombe me enta suru so endle.
Oh, that.
The promise alone say tala.
Ayina mali na mali yawe.
I know talk.
Okay. So project lengele ku tendleleni yi reflect out on zwangwena na what happened, so you're moving away from that breaking point to now
accepting like enough frustration yaku the reason sometimes I'm not so public when wangandivi kunanya njani and all of that is because the more you're outside the more your spirit is tested ni munhu loyi a khongela ku xikwembu a leso swa chance ni khongela xikwembu so I fear God yeah like I fear God more than
yeah
I used to Ntsikin
Kamzai
nope
okay
sober
ne
everything sober.
So like album later was some sort of like a therapy to a lot.
Yeah,
because we are going through a lot. What a girlfriend or nasad.
I think vanu ka album leo fan valangtela track yo fana na honestly got this album ne na track le bongo shivoni yeah so this is me saying and after so why would tala mngurandi J John because J John makes music that makes you think. It's a reflection. When you listen to my music, it's reflection. You reflect back to yourself. Go, what am I doing that's wrong to fix myself? And Bana was around this. So yeah, but yeah, this album itava a therapy, a good one food. And itava ita enjoy it. Itava kat.
Or utsikwa girlfriend or na sat ohlama kaur this one guy gas talk
anti va ku showing us now anti twikase
irela phakathi ka mntu kumbato
ya shawari ni mashiwara shawari ni rilerio
anti mithindo ka tinga yeli
anti twikase I'm not sure if maybe ngame with this question munala ngamthambili imtsonga wakaGaza oh
Xitsonga.
Mixed breed.
Okay, let's kahle ne. Hey,
why I'm so bubusha question sa kuyi.
No, okay. I feel like you're getting out of context now.
No, I'm not happy. But actually I never so.
Lexinganja eko emolweni ngamteka. I loved that woman so much. Ngumteka nungisa kaya. The whole family met her. Before my grandmother passed away, so kokwa minu munloi anongrang sangoma re kokwa me vaisata like she was like my number one fan, so she aite wasulungwa swimina. So for me to be in a place where I was like happy as a man and have a woman that I love and introduce her to my family, Manita, kind of never seen mana mina itago but she was happy to see that okay, I'm changing to a different direction.
Yeah.
And then one day I woke up and the text said, "Hey, listen.
We need to talk."
No, it was, I'm not in the country. Got a job somewhere. Hey, yeah.
Outside the country.
Yeah, anyway. But yeah, it is what it is. Ni worry in shop. Don't even think about it. Rubber. Yeah, but no grand,
No, okay.
No grand.
Project yangu huma 8th December. Don't you think it's too late, or are you focusing it on the next festive season? Yeah, March, yeah, Good Friday.
Nah, not really. For me, unless still no mesa wow, ni vela no wow. You mess it 8th December.
Serious?
So I'm doing it. Yeah.
I should blind.
So
and then madam chinle nga create ani I creative le ke na ina ko mata da mo ko ke an bol kara again fel yiten jaram chinle
ina sweat phela
okay,
la
I studio group me na Vicat and azu doing snane Gandhi, so like kichina la ni rini sala hip-hop.
Yeah.
So Gandhi was like, and I'm like, yo, that's actually fire.
Yeah.
Then we decided, okay, wow, we thought na chino ayon.
Yeah, because I remember kuna pate niso gile so dog nyana
Yeah.
No, can sing of J John.
No, can some.
Lokuna mina munhu sweswi.
Hey, monem tela, man lo yakona. Hey,
Ai se sin'wini lava mi nga senda text mi ku loko J John a nga ri na munhu a vula a ve ri mani lava va kona.
ani angava side na tota kufakala.
afana swi tiva ku nga apply hala handle mitirho loko
va nga
apply
apply handle na vola va sweswi.
Hey,
Mi nga tshoveka.
mativa
Makume mbirhi timinetse ku khensi ngopfu neso until za hlangana na kambe i sweswo.
Danko.
Yebo.